Model, 66-plate Iveco Daily 35S112.3 HPI Luton box van needs ULEZ compliant. Body, blue, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 283113. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AE3481L. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. There is a warning light on the dash for the automatic gearbox. It will select gears fine, but intermittently it will stay in neutral. We suspect the gearbox module will need replacing. It still starts and drives brilliantly. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.